Yeah, beautiful.
Perfect.
And our friend Frank Mazzuca here. I don't know if you know him. You know Frank? Frank is so talented that he started to make these YAMU YA. You understand that language, right? Forza bars instead of power bars, right? And we got two flavors here.
Yeah.
We got the Giro de Pinuts with a classic picture of Cope and Bartley passing the water.
Yeah.
And we got the Giro de Fruta, where I think it's Kopi's just won a race and he's lighting up a cigarette. But Frank has substituted a YAMU YA bar instead of the cigarette.
Right, got it.
All with a beautiful presentation. Look at that. That's just to give you power when you come back after 5K. Okay?
Through those potholes.
Yes. Are we going to take a picture
Yes,
together?
let's
with
do it.
Everybody around
Yeah,
Tony
let's
there.
make a big circle around Tony. Get off the bike.
Councillor, welcome to the Veneto Cycling Club.